Come with me to set up and engrave these wedding flasks.
Look at these set up.
So I wanted to hop on here today and show a little bit of the behind the scenes action that we take to do these custom engravings on different products here in our home brand business. For those of y'all that don't know, my name is John Thetford, and I am, I guess, what you would call a stay-at-home dad, jack of all trades, master of none type of dude. And we are trying to grow our business and be able to work from home to spend more time with our families. So with that in mind, we apparently like to stay broke, but we also want to get some engagement on our platforms here and grow not only our social media aspect, but also our business. So we wanted to do these custom engraved Mr. and Mrs. Flask to give away to one of you lucky viewers. So if yourself or somebody that you know are going to be getting married relatively soon, we want to be able to gift this to you. We will cover the shipping and packaging and all that fun stuff. So literally completely free. I will post a link down below for you to be able to select that. Just follow us on our social medias. I know there's a call to action there, but hit us up on whatever platform that you see this video on, fill out that form, and if you are the winner, you will be contacted via whatever form of communication that you give us, and we are so excited to be able to provide something for you on your special day. So hey, thanks for watching this video, you guys. I appreciate it. Get this out there, help share it, spread the word. Appreciate peace, loving, chicken grease. Goodbye.